Yeah, in this video we are going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player, navigation, which is called CIC unit from BMW 128 2009, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need, just a Phillips screwdriver and this dash panel removal. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only, and the removal is very simple. The first thing you need to do to remove the AC control unit, you just insert your tool around the AC control and then just pull it forward. And then you don't need to disconnect it, you can just leave it like that. And then you insert your tools around the bezel of the CIC unit and you can pop it up. And then once you get the bezel out, there are 4 Phillips screw, 2 on the driver's side and the 2 on the passenger side. And then also make sure that you put your car in the neutral position and cover the shifter, because it won't get the scratches and it would be easy to get the CIC unit out. And you can just pull it forward and then disconnect the connector in the back. And I'll just show you the connectors and that's all. And if you need any repair for this CIC unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.